Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today my sister does my voiceover. Yeah, my 11-year-old sister. She's not girly, and by the time I was her age, I was actually getting into trouble for putting on pink lipstick in class, but she's not that type of girl, so I guess she is the best bet to do this video with. Also, I don't have a boyfriend to do it for me, and I don't have a brother, and I'm certainly not asking my dad. But anyway, yeah, I guess let's do this. By the way, today we're up close and personal. I hope I'm not infringing on your personal space. Let me just get into this thing and stop doing stupid things.
Okay, this is the sweets container that she's now reusing as a makeup toolbox. And now we're gonna take whatever that is.
Did I really break your heart? Was it all my fault?
And now she's going to take whatever that is and apply it on her face, like everywhere on her face except the lips. And I think she's enjoying the music in the background because she looks happy there. And I think she forgot something because she just said no to something. She's going to take, I'm not sure what this is called, but I think an eyebrow scraper. Oh, catch on, don't worry. And she's going to scrape her eyebrows, shape them up to down, but don't overdo them. You don't want to be eyebrowless. Wait, why is she using a toothbrush? You just buy a makeup brush. Just do it. And now she's going to she's taking this eyebrow liner. I'm not sure. She's going to just make it look like a pencil under her eyebrows. Again with a nasty toothbrush, but let's just continue. And now she's going to shape the eyebrows more with that eyebrow liner, and then it can look like your eyebrows are brown or whatever color you used. And yeah, and just color it on your eyebrows so that it becomes the color you want. It depends on the eyebrow liner color you took, but don't use weird colors like pink or blue. I think she's enjoying the background music, probably Jenny Aiko or Drake. And now you should look in the mirror to see if your eyebrows have the same colored shade or are the same size. I'm not sure. And just color them some more to make them look brush them off with that nasty toothbrush, and then take the foundation. The eyebrow foundation. I'm not sure. We'll just say eyebrow foundation, and just put it under your eyebrows, and also on top of your eyebrows, so that your eyebrows can pop. Finally, she's using a makeup brush instead of a toothbrush, and I think it's because she wants to spread the eyebrow foundation, I'm not sure, under and on top, so that the eyebrows pop. As you can see, she's spreading the eyebrow foundation so that it can be pointy or something like that. I'm not sure. And yeah, and I think she's still trying to shape her eyebrows and make them look perfect. She's just trying too hard. I think at this point she's just given up. And now we're going to take the thing that was on the thing that concealer, I'm not sure what it's called, but she's going to apply it on her face, but don't do your lips. You don't want to be tasting nasty stuff. Now she's looking like a ghost a little bit, but it's fine. She always looks like that. And she's now taking the foundation and she's putting it on her palm. Okay, she's shaking it and then putting some more on her palm, and now she's applying on her cheeks with her fingers, and she's also applying down the cheeks. And now she's taking the eyebrow foundation and she's putting it on her palm. No, it's not a palm. Yeah, on the palm, and she's just putting a lot. And now she's mixing the face foundation and the eyebrow foundation and putting it on her forehead, because somehow her forehead is darker than the rest of her face. And now she's taking the sellotape and she's putting wait, isn't that going to hurt? But she's putting it on her eyelids, no, under the eyes, and she's making it go from down to upwards. And now she's taking the eyebrow why are you using the eyebrow foundation? The face and the eyelids and also the eyebrows. But she's taking the eyebrow foundation and putting it on her eyelids and taking the brush and blending it on her eyelids. This is the part where she puts the eyeshadow. She chose brown. I think it's because she wants to make her eyes pop. I'm not sure, but yeah. And she's putting on both eyelids. You need to make sure that you blend so that it doesn't look like a straight weird line across the eyelid. Now she's taking the brush to wipe it all the foundation and the eyeshadow on the toilet paper. I think I finally understand the use of the sellotape. It was to make her eyes look like cat eyes or make her eyeshadow go upwards. And yeah. And now she's just blending in the green eyeshadow. She's looking for something, I'm not sure what it is. It's the eyebrow foundation, just in a lighter version, and she's putting it on her eyelids. I hate it when she rolls her eyes. Wait, it was to spread the eyebrow foundation. And now she's blending it until where she puts the green foundation and the green eyeshadow and the brown eyeshadow. I don't know why you're not blending the foundation. Just blend it and you'll be done, and you'll be just left with a few steps. But now she's taking a long time to shape the cat eye. I think that cat eye needs a lot of work, I'm not sure. But I think that's just a simple eyelid and eyeshadow step, so you don't need to take a long time. And now she's just blending the cat eye with her finger. I'm not sure she's wanting to do a cat eye or just a different look. Now she's taking the brown eyeshadow shade again and she's putting it. Oh, she made a mistake. Oh, she didn't. She's putting it on top of her eyelids, just underneath the eyebrows. And yeah, finally onto the next step, but it's still the eyeshadow, but this time she's taking a lighter green. Doesn't make a difference, but she's taking a lighter green shade of the eyeshadow and she's putting it at the same place where she put the darker green shade, which doesn't make sense, but anyways. And she's just going to blend it in as usual. And now she's holding a different eyeshadow and she's confused with what color I choose. I'm not sure, but I think she chose a white. I'm not sure. And she's just putting it on top of the eyebrow foundation. And now she went to the other palette and she took a green that has shiny stuff and she put it on top of the eyebrow foundation. She's just blending it on top of the eyebrow foundation. Now she's just blending in the green eyeshadow. I'm not sure if she's sure about the look. Right now, like the foundation spots are still there. I don't know what is the use of putting them because they're washing away. But I don't know what she's going to do. Let's just continue. She's still not sure about the look, but I think it finally looks cute. Now she moved to the other eye and she's blending in the shiny green eyeshadow that she used on the other eye to make it look like the right eye. Now she's putting something under her eyes. I'm not sure what it is, but she's just putting it under her eyes and she's blending it at the corner so that it looks sharp again. Now she's removing the sellotape. Wait, didn't that hurt? But she's removing the sellotape like a champ and she's putting the green eyeshadow at the edge. Yeah, at the edge. And now I think she's confused with something. I'm not sure if it's with the look. And she's taking mascara. Yeah, it's mascara. And she's putting it on her eyelashes, I think. And now she's taking her brush and she's just blending the eyeshadows properly again. And now she took the eyeliner and she's putting it under her eye. I don't know why, but she's putting it under her eye. And yeah, now she's taking the sponge and she's blending the foundation spots, but it looks like she's struggling because I think they're dry. But she's just blending them first on the cheek and on the chin, but not on the lips. She hasn't done her forehead yet, but please do it. You're not looking good up there. It's gonna be too dry. And she's just blending it. I think she's forgotten about the forehead, but now she looks tired, but okay. Now she has a brush and she's putting foundation in the middle of her forehead. No, in the middle of her eyebrows. She takes the foundation from her palm and she just puts it on her nose tip. I don't know what it's called, but her nose tip, and she's just blending it with a sponge and brush. She's also blending it with a brush at the sides of her nose. And now she has the eyebrow foundation is back and she's putting it on her forehead, and she's just like making those dots, and she's also doing it with her finger, I think just to make sure that they're enough. And now she's blending it with the sponge. Honestly, I think that this is too much makeup, but what do I know? And now she's just blending. She's trying to make herself look like she's snatched, I think. But we're just going to keep on blending that foundation, and yeah. And now she's just looking in the mirror. I think there's something wrong with her eyebrows because she just looks stressed. and she's taking lipstick. Wait, is it lipstick? Yeah, lipstick, and she's applying it on her cheeks. I don't know why, but it's the ways of Tiiso, and she's just applying it on her cheeks and pumping and blending it with a smaller sponge. Okay, she's acting sassy as usual, but now she's taken the pigment, I don't know where it is, and she's applying it on the cheeks. I don't think she's happy about the pigment, but we move. And now she's just applying blending the pigment on her cheeks, and now she has, I think that's lipstick, more lipstick or lip gloss, I'm not sure. I think she chose the dark pink one, I'm not sure. She's applying it on her lips. Oh, actually she's taking one more and she's applying it, I don't know what color it is, but she took the third one. Okay, she's applying all three of them, and she just make sure that you like pump the lipstick so that it can show. And now she has 3 different lashes, and she's chosen the middle one, and now she has 2 sprays and she's choosing between one, and she chose the black one, and for some reason she's spraying it on her face. I think it's to make the makeup stay for longer, I'm not sure. And now she's drying up this spray with a book hands, I'm not sure what that is. And now she has whatever she's holding, I think it got on her hand, but it surely is black, and she's just putting it on her eyelash. And now she's drying up the thing that she put on her eyelash.
One eternity later.
I think that black thing was glue, I'm not sure. And now she's just drying the eyelash some more, and she's trying to put on her real eyelashes, but she's struggling, so she has to do it properly, not to mess up. Put one eyelash down and one up. She's just trying to make it look perfect. Now she's putting the glue on the other eyelash, and she's drying it, and now she's struggling to put it on the other eye. Now she's looking in the mirror, and I don't think she's sure about the look or how she has put the eyelash. She's just looking in the mirror and placing it properly. Now she's putting the lip gloss, and she's going whatever she's doing so that it can like stay there longer. Oh, she doesn't agree with the lip gloss, and now she's removing it with the toilet paper, and she's putting it again while looking in the mirror. And she's now pumping something around her lips. Finally, we are done.
So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. This is the final look, and yeah, I'm all the way in summer, yet it's winter, but you know what it is, I don't like winter, so I'm just gonna do my makeup like it's summer. But yeah, tell me what you think of this look. Tell me if you're gonna try it out. Anyway, I feel like my eyebrows are too dark, but I mean yeah, please remember to like if you really like this look, and please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you so much for watching till the end, and I love you so much, and bye.